How to recover deleted Facebook posts from recycle bin. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover the deleted Facebook post from your recycle bin. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To recover your deleted Facebook post from recycle bin on Facebook, it's very simple. First, you launch Facebook. Then of course you have to make sure to log into your account. So let me just go ahead and then log in quickly. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon from the top left. Then if you've happened to delete a certain photo or anything, what you do is you tap the three dots option right there. Then from here you go to this option, activity log. From activity log, from the top you can see the option that says trash or the trash icon. Go to this trash icon over here, and you will see a list of photos, videos, posts, or anything that you've deleted, and you can choose to recover those photos or so on. This way you can recover deleted photos or posts on Facebook from recycle bin. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.